hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. Welcome back to Adventures with Cole. Today we're going to be going ice fishing and having an outdoor cook-up. I hope you're just as excited as I am. Let's do this. Good afternoon, guys. It's time to go ice fishing. This is our setup here. I got a nice bucket here with all my ice fishing gear in it. The auger right here, all ready to go. Full tank of gas, and Alaska is back. She's eager to go. We're gonna go ice fishing, Alaska. We're gonna go for an adventure. You wanna go for an adventure? Sit. Speak. She gets right excited. And as many guys suggested, I did put a little red bandana on her so she doesn't get mistaken for a coyote. Good girl. Well, it's a bit windy up here, but it'll do. This is the first pond we're going to try. There's another one up ahead that if this one doesn't work, we'll try it as well. Yeah, let's get drilling. I got the ice auger there and a fishing kit that comes with a rod and then one of those flags. So that'll be pretty good, so I don't have to look after that one. And the bucket has a little seat on it, padded seat, that I can just sit on and chill out. All right. It's a bit of a mild day today. I think about like 1 degree out, but the wind's definitely making it a bit more chillier. But I mean, that's to be expected here in Newfoundland, so. Oh, that's all slush there. Hopefully that's not too deep. Wow, there's a lot of slush. Oh man, that was a lot of work, but we finally broke through. Whew. I've got a scooper. I'm gonna scoop all that out. Here's my ice fishing rod. Great thing about it is this bucket and everything in it came as a kit, so got everything I need into one thing. Now I just got some worms here. None too fancy. That's a nice worm right there. Might even be too much. We'll see. Man, if fish ain't attracted to that, I don't know what is. All right, dropping in. Yeah, it seems like it's a bit shallow at this part. It did not go down very far. I mean, I got a couple weights on it too, so it should go down to the bottom. Well, we'll give it a try anyway. Let's see what happens. So from my next hole, I'm going to dig out a bit further, just out there, and hopefully I'll have some luck, see how deep it is out there. But this one, like I said, it's not entirely that deep, so I don't think I'm going to get anything, but you never know, right? You never know. Alaska. Couple jigs for good luck. This spot looks better. Not nearly as slushy. A bit more solid, so should be a bit easier cutting. But hopefully it'll be deeper here and we get a nice trout. That's what we're fishing for today. It's a good old trout. Finally broke through. Whew. That wasn't as bad. Now for this hole, we got one of these polar pop-up. So when you get a fish on, this flag pops up. I'm gonna go ahead and put a nice worm on the hook and drop it in. That's another nice worm right there. Drop it in. Just hit the bottom. Looks like it's a bit deeper, which is great. I'm gonna reel it up a little bit now. So this flag just goes under here just like that. So once when there's a fish, this will actually spin and this flag will be released to pop up. So I don't really have to sit here and watch it the entire time, which is quite nice. Time to pop on back and see if we got anything in that hole and wait, basically. Reason why I chose this spot is because the brook is just right there. I was thinking maybe like fish would be around this area kind of eating and stuff, but yeah, nothing here really at all. So I'm gonna move out a little bit and see if we have better luck down that way. So the other hole is just down there. I'm gonna try probably right here. Now that's looking pretty deep right there. Dropping in. Looks like that's it. Not too far, actually. I thought it would have went further, but maybe not. I can see it right there, actually. This must be a pretty shallow pond. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. So we got some pretty heavy rainfall coming tonight and tomorrow, and some mild weather. Gonna be like plus 5 degrees tomorrow, and the next few days. So a lot of the trails and stuff are gonna get in pretty bad condition. Might have early spring this year. So I've been jigging for about 10 minutes here. Nothing yet. I'm gonna leave it for now. Nothing yet. Pretty hard to see, but you can see the little specks of where I am way out there. Super nice to get out of the wind for a little bit. It's super windy out there. So we got a nice stream here. Some nice flowing water. Nothing yet. Looks like the fish aren't biting today. It's roughly about 4 o'clock. No bites yet, so I think it's time we get moving. Let's pack up and get going. Get on with them. Good girl. Here he is.
Hi guys, another adventure with Cole.
That's right. I'm gonna dig some holes in here and hopefully we'll have a better chance at this pond. A little bit more shelter too as well, not as much wind. The other one was absolutely freezing, so. So this pond is called Misery Pond. Super nice little pond. There's a little camp just up there. I'm gonna drill my hole right here. Lots of slush on this one too. Dropping in. Let's see if we get something now. Really hope we do. A little bit of sunshine. That's pretty nice. Well guys, unfortunately, no fish today, no bites, but we tried. You know, it's not always going to work out in the end. Right, Alaska? Yes. Me and Alaska going to head back to the house now, get warmed up and get dinner. And judging by the weather, there might be a next time. I'm not sure yet, all the rain we're getting, but if we can do it again, I'll certainly do it again.
Guys, welcome to day 2 of ice fishing. As you can see, it's a beautiful day, but man, it's very mild out. It's about 5 degrees out here. A bit of wind too as well. Up here's not so bad though, up on this bog. But I just want to show you guys the ice melt. There's a bunch of running water over there. So we probably got roughly about like 20 millimeters of rain. Not as much as it was forecasted, but still quite a bit of rain, especially for the starting of March. Like guys, it's literally only starting of March and I just fell through. Look at this. There's no bottom to this stuff anymore at all. Look at all this water running. So we're going to a pond today that I know for sure has fish because I've ice fished there before and caught in lots. About pan size, not too big, but not too small. So as you know, day 1 didn't go too well, but I have a feeling today's gonna be much better. And we're also gonna do a catch and cook if we do catch something. And but either way, we are gonna do a boil up, and it's gonna be a good day, especially because it's a lot nicer out. You know, it's 5 degrees, not freezing like it was last time. So this is our setup today. I got the snowshoes because we're probably gonna need a snowshoe down to the pond. I've got the ice auger, of course, and inside here I got the firebox. Cooking kit, fishing rods, worms, all the stuff, and the bag on my back with all the food and everything else. Let's go have some fun. I don't think we're making it through there. The brook is absolutely flooded. Wow, that's a lot of water. I have to turn around and find a different way. Okay, we found a different way. We're now on the main trail. We're gonna keep heading up here and then we got a turn off we're gonna take up to the pond. Yeah, that was a tough situation, but we managed to make it through. It's roughly about 3 o'clock, so we better get moving now. Okay, this is about as far as we can go on Skidoo. We gotta walk down this stream here down to the pond. So I'm gonna get everything unpacked and start the hike down. Lashka, you ready to go? You ready to go? Yes. Look at all the water melting, and the brook is running pretty heavy, pretty wet and slushy. Look at these trees right here, just all in the water. Wow. Got a nice brook here. This will be a good water supply for our boil up. Some nice big trees through here, and there's a little shelter right there too. Wow, look at this big GoPro out here. Beaver cut this a little while ago. Okay, let's take a look in this old shelter. The door handle is completely gone. Not much left of the door at all. Oh, check this little place out. This was a neat little shelter. Nice. Got a couple seats and a table. Upper table up here too as well. That's really cool. Screws to hang up your stuff. This wood still looks pretty good. Nice roof. That's plastic. What you doing, Laska? So shelter's just right there. I'm just going to head straight out. Keeping by this brook, but not too close, of course. And then we'll dig a couple holes. Because there's a sandy point right here, and once you get so far out, it drops off and it gets super deep. So I think we have a pretty good chance today of getting a fish, which would be awesome. All right, Laska, let's go fishing. Okay, I think I'm far enough out. The brook is just right here, only about like 20 feet out. It should be super deep here. And what a beautiful pond though. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice rock faces over there. Whew, still super thick ice on this pond too. Nice. Nice. All right, time to put my line in. I gotta admit, this bucket seat's pretty comfortable. That's a nice worm right on there. About to drop it in now. Drop it in. Yeah, it did go down a good ways. Jig a little bit, and hope we get something. Drill another hole a little further out. So far nothing. I still have high hopes. So I'm a little bit further off the brook here. It is super slushy. See what we can make happen. All right, drop it in. Wow, this one's going really far. Nothing yet, guys, nothing yet. I'm trying, Lashka. Yes. Okay, just drilled a third hole. A little bit further over to the stream. Back there was pretty deep, but no bites at all. So we'll try here. Hopefully we get better luck. Dropping in. Oh man, this spot's really deep here. Oh wow. All right, come on, you fishies. Come on, fishy. Get the worm.
I'll stay jigging here for a few more minutes, and then we're gonna go have a nice boil up. Leave the lines out. Hopefully we get something on, and we'll cook that up too if we do. If not, well, it is what it is, right? You know, it won't always go your way. And that's just the way life is. But still gotta make the most of it while we are out here. I can tell it's starting to cool down a bit. Tomorrow's supposed to go back down to like -7. Look at Alaska. She doesn't like the ponds. She just out there waiting patiently. So there's my hole right there. I'm gonna leave that for now. We're gonna head on in by the shelter there, have a good boil up. The stream is a good water supply. This is a nice little spot here, right next to the nice stream. Not too far away from the pond. Guys, it's been a while since we did a boil up, so pretty excited to get this on the go. I put a couple sticks down so that the firebox doesn't melt into the snow. Got my full cooking set as always. She just fell so deep in a hole. Of course, some egg cartons for the fire starter. Tell you what, guys, I was kind of missing the boil up, so I'm glad that we're doing it again. And I got lots and lots of good food to cook today. I'm excited. I've just been eating bars for the last couple hours. I'm ready for some good grub. This wood's pretty dry too, so it should be no problem. And I got some splits there too as well. And some birch. Got some birch. Nice. Long time no see. Now that the fire is going absolutely fantastic, time to show you guys what I got to eat. First thing is first, we got some tea, milk, and sugar. Gonna have some nice stream water tea today. I've got a marinated pork chop. I cannot wait to have this. It's gonna be delicious. So we'll cook that up over the frying pan. That's gonna be a good time. I got some potatoes. Cook that up in the frying pan too as well. That's going to be a heck of a meal with the pork chop. Got some onions and mushrooms for my pork chop to cook it in. So, not missing out there. Some butter, lots of butter. And for a dessert, I got 2 of these big waffles. Look at these guys. They look absolutely delicious. I got some maple syrup there too as well. Pour that on there. It's going to be real good. And yeah, that's everything today. Let's get cooking. Chef Cole is back at it again, guys. I think the first thing I'm going to do is the pork chop. I just got some butter in the pan. Gonna let that warm up. Kind of got to let the fire die down a little bit. I think it's a bit too hot. Burned the pork chop right away. Woohoo! Yeah, that's hot still. How's that looking, guys? Looking absolutely delicious, and you know it. Oh, I almost forgot to show you guys. I got this brand new kit with everything I need. Spatula, mixer, whatever. Cutting board, sponge, everything. I think today all I'm gonna need is my spatula. So I can fold it up pretty nicely just like that. And then unfolds just like that. You got yourself a nice little spatula. Wicked. Yes, sir.
almost forgot, guys. I'm getting a little too far ahead of myself. I still gotta add in the onions and the mushrooms. Gorgeous. No better smell in the wild, guys. Fire needs some refueling. I'm gonna put a couple more chunks in there. See how far along they are. Oh yeah, I think they're practically done almost. What you doing, Alaska? What you doing? Nice and white inside. It's done. Oh yeah. Another 2 chunks of butter in there. All right, got the potatoes in the pan. Going on. This is the proper way right here to get your water. Nice. Potatoes are looking pretty decent so far. The fire is a bit hot, so I did burn some, but that's all right. Oh, speaking of potatoes, I'll be doing round 3 of baking potatoes. I still need to get it right, and I will get it right. I burnt them twice now, so I need a redemption. That's done. And it's good. All right, time to put on the kettle. Look at all the woodpecker holes in this tree, guys. Wow. That's pretty cool. Let's try the pork chop. This is looking real good. Nothing like it. That's good. The wind calmed down a little bit too. Really nice evening. Alaska, come here. Speak. Speak. No, speak. Sit. Sit. Speak. Yeah, come on, a little more. Sit. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good girl. That pork chop was absolutely delicious. Time to eat up the potatoes. They're looking pretty good. Missing some salt, but still absolutely delicious. Finished off my potatoes. They're some good. Alaska, I got a little bit left. I'm gonna give some to her. Here you go. Time went ahead. It's currently 6:41, and look how bright it is. I love it. Oh, it's going good. So just went out and checked the rods. Unfortunately, we did not get anything, but that's okay. It's not always gonna work out in the end. Which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But I think it's dessert time. And to go along with these delicious waffles, I got myself some maple syrup. Why? Because I'm Canadian. Let's pour it on. Oh, nice. Look at that, guys. Bon appetit. I don't even know what to say. I have no words. I think there's a single word that can describe this. Because it's just too good. Oh, absolutely delicious. Well, I think it's time to get back. Sorry, it's starting to get a little dark. I gotta pack up all my stuff and we're out of here. What's great about this bucket too is that not only is it a great seat,
but I can also carry other stuff in it. And I got my firebox and my cooking set in it. And it all fits in there perfectly, which is awesome. So, saves a bit of room in my bag. Let's go, Alaska. Come on, let's go. Yeah, it does kind of suck we never got anything, but still was a great time. And that's what the outdoors is all about, just coming out and having a great time and make the most of it. Still absolutely gorgeous through here. That is a lot of snow melt. Wow. Also, another thing, I don't know how on earth my hands got so dirty, but oh my, Alaska. Come here, Alaska. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Well, just like that, guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Today was an awesome day, and we had a fantastic cook-up as well. Unfortunately, we did not have any luck ice fishing, but I still had a great time, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too as well. As well, I have a goal of 500 subscribers. I appreciate every bit of your love and support, guys. Enjoy your day, evening, night, whatever it is, and I'll see you guys. What is it? What is it? On the next adventure. Let's go. You wanna go? Yes, let's go. I've fallen and I can't get up. Help me, let's go. Oh.